fix it not working. Say this. Is your tech not working again? It's a common phrase, but it often sounds like a broken record, doesn't it? Think of it like a faulty circuit. The energy isn't flowing correctly, and the intended function is completely stalled. When you report an issue, clarity is your superpower. Using precise language is like having a detailed blueprint for a technician. It guides them directly to the problem, rather than leaving them guessing in the dark. This not only speeds up the resolution, but also showcases your professionalism and attention to detail, making you a more valuable contributor in any technical environment. Instead of the vague, "it's not working," let's explore more specific and impactful language. Consider the phrase, "the system is unresponsive." This immediately tells a support agent that the core functionality is failing, much like a car engine refusing to turn over. It paints a clearer picture than just "it's broken." This type of precise communication is crucial, especially in a help desk scenario where understanding the exact nature of the problem can be the difference between a quick fix and a prolonged troubleshooting session. It's about transforming confusion into clarity, like tuning a radio to get a clear signal. Another excellent alternative is experiencing a critical failure. This phrase signifies a severe issue, akin to a structural beam collapsing in a building. It alerts the recipient that the problem is not minor but potentially system-wide or impacting essential operations. When you use terms like these, you're not just describing a glitch, you're diagnosing the severity. This level of detail helps prioritize issues and allocate resources effectively. It's about moving from a general statement of distress to a specific, actionable assessment of the situation, ensuring the right people are informed promptly. When an application freezes, rather than saying, "the program stopped working," try, "the application has become non-responsive." This is a more formal and descriptive way to communicate the issue. Think of it as a conductor's baton suddenly halting mid-air. The performance, or in this case, the application's task, has ceased. This precise terminology allows support teams to quickly categorize the problem, whether it's a simple bug or a more complex memory leak. It's about providing them with the right key to unlock the solution, without having to fumble through a dozen incorrect ones. Consider the phrase, "encountering a persistent error." This conveys that the problem isn't a one-off hiccup, but a recurring obstacle. It's like a repetitive, discordant note in a musical piece, disrupting the harmony. This detail is vital for diagnosing software issues that might stem from corrupted data or configuration problems. It helps support personnel understand that a simple restart might not suffice, and that a deeper investigation into the root cause is necessary. Your accurate reporting directly contributes to a more efficient and effective resolution process, saving time and frustration for everyone involved. For hardware problems, instead of "the printer isn't printing," opt for "the printer is offline or experiencing connectivity issues." This tells the support team to check the network or physical connections, not just the software. Imagine trying to send a letter without a mailbox. The message can't be delivered. These specific descriptions are like providing the correct address for that mailbox. They guide the troubleshooting process efficiently, preventing unnecessary steps and ensuring that the right diagnostic tools are employed from the outset. It's about clear direction for complex systems. When you need to convey that something isn't performing as expected, use performance degradation. This implies a slowing down or reduced efficiency, similar to a runner gradually losing speed. It's more informative than a simple "it's slow." This phrase suggests that the system is still functioning, but not optimally, which is crucial for identifying bottlenecks or resource constraints. Accurate reporting here helps analysts pinpoint whether the issue lies with processing power, memory usage, or network latency, leading to targeted solutions rather than guesswork. If a feature is completely inaccessible, say, "the feature is currently unavailable." This is direct and unambiguous, unlike "it's broken." Think of a door that's locked. You can see it, but you can't get through. This clearly communicates that the functionality is not operational. It prompts support to investigate potential lockouts, permission issues, or service outages specific to that feature. This precise language ensures that the troubleshooting efforts are focused and relevant, streamlining the path to restoring access and usability. When data is lost or corrupted, saying data integrity has been compromised is a professional and accurate way to describe the situation. This is like finding that pages are missing or smudged in a vital historical document. The record itself is unreliable. It signals to IT professionals that the accuracy and completeness of information are in question. This allows them to initiate specific data recovery protocols or diagnostic checks to understand the extent of the corruption and work towards restoring the data's integrity. Mastering these phrases transforms your technical communication from a plea for help to a precise diagnosis. It elevates your professional image and ensures that issues are addressed efficiently. By speaking the language of technology with clarity and accuracy, you become an invaluable asset, capable of navigating complex systems and contributing to effective problem solving. So, next time something isn't working, remember to articulate it like a pro. Hit subscribe for more career-boosting English tips.